If you work in bookkeeping or finance, you know the real challenge usually is not missing information. It's that sales activity, expenses, bank transactions, customer records, vendor records, and supporting documents are all sitting in different places, and QuickBooks is where everything has to come together. That's where SaasAnt Transactions fits in. It helps you bring transactions, lists, and other QuickBooks records into the books, whether that's invoices, expenses, customers, vendors, products, bank activity, or receipt data. A lot of the time, the sales, invoices, or other transactions are already being captured in another system. In that case, you can bring that file into SaasAnt, review it, map it to the right QuickBooks fields, and then import it into QuickBooks. If you're working with bank activity, you can upload a bank statement as a PDF or image. And SaasAnt pulls out the transaction lines so you can review the date, description, and amount before bringing them into QuickBooks. This is especially useful when the bank feed is unavailable, when you need to catch up past periods, or when you only have statement files to work from. And if you're dealing with receipts, you can upload the receipt image or PDF, let SaasAnt read the key details, and then review everything before it goes into QuickBooks. So whether you're importing a file, uploading a bank statement, or capturing receipt data, the goal is the same. Get the information into QuickBooks accurately, review it before posting, and keep the books moving. SaasAnt can also create missing records during the import. If QuickBooks is missing a customer, vendor, product, service, or other related record that your file needs, you can use auto-create options so the import keeps moving instead of stopping on missing setup. Before you import anything, you can control how that data should be handled. SaasAnt can auto-map your columns when the headers match, and once you save that mapping, you can reuse it the next time you import the same kind of file. You can also use rules to clean things up before the import goes in. For example, you can fill blank values, override a field, or change how something is posted based on another value in the same row. If this is part of your regular workflow, you can automate the import process after the initial setup is done. SaasAnt can automate imports through email, FTP, Zapier, and local folder automation, so new files can be picked up and imported into QuickBooks on the schedule you set. After the import runs, you can review past import activity and manage what was brought into QuickBooks. If something needs to be corrected, SaasAnt gives you options to edit, undo, or delete import vouchers instead of cleaning things up one record at a time inside QuickBooks. And if you want a safety net before making major changes, SaasAnt also offers backup options so you have a copy of the QuickBooks data you're working with. The link in the description takes you to the full guide with step-by-step instructions for each part of this workflow. Try SaasAnt free and connect it to your QuickBooks account today.